Okay, hello dear students. You know that this is the preparatory video for upcoming week, and this is the planning for upcoming week. Students, you can just see on the board. It is the addition of rational numbers, it is the subtraction of rational number, and this is the multiplication of rational number, students. And today I am going to explain you with this video that what is the topics will be there in next week, students. So you'll have to understand this one also, and I'm going to tell you that this video is not for those who are telling that okay, no problem, we can just see this video and we'll be understand that concept, so that's why we'll not in the live class next week. Not like that, students. Suppose it may be that there is some kind of problem in your network, suppose the connectivity is low at your home, suppose you are in at the time, that means next week you are out of station, you will be there, suppose then you can just see these videos to understand the concept. So students, now I'm going to start this one also. Okay students, now you can just see here, first of all you can just see here addition of rational number, students. We have already done some topics related to this, students, some addition for that one in live class, students, but now today I'm going to write a sum and explaining in front of you. I'm going to write the sum, students. Just a minute. Suppose it may be that the sum is related to this 8 by 10 plus 3, students. This is the addition of rational number, students. You can just see here. This is also the rational number. Whenever you put a 1 down here, you can just see in the denominator. So it is also the rational number, students. You can just go with that. So I'm going to start here. You can just see here 8 by 10 plus 3 by 1. It is also the rational number. You can just see, students. Okay. Now, how can you do that, students? You can just see here, first of all, if the denominator will same, then you will be able to do this kind of sum, students. If the denominator will same, students, then how can you do the denominator same? Okay, I am going to tell you that here 10 and here 1. Okay, in the table of 1 10 and 10. You can just see here. So that's why I am going to directly start here 8 by 10 plus 3. Here 1 into 10, students, you can just wait, just put here. Students, you know that whenever you do any kind of operation in the denominator, we will have to do that on numerator also, students. You will have to do that numerator also. Okay, now you can just see here 8 by 10, students, and here 10 3s are 30 by 10, students. You can just see here 10 is common, students. Here 8 plus 30, students. You can just see here. Then it is a 38 by 10, students. You can just write this answer, students. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is the addition of rational number, students. You can just see here. I'm going to write another sum related to the sign of minus, students. Suppose it may be that in denominator there will be a minus sign. You can just convert that into the standard form. That means the standard form rational number, students. I'm going to show you that. Just a minute. You can just see here, students. I'm going to write another question. Take from the textbook. Okay. Suppose, students, this kind of question will be there. How can you do that, students? First of all, you have to just see that this rational number have a 9 and it is a minus. So you can just convert this one in standard form. You can see it is already in standard form, students. So first of all, I have to convert this into standard form. Then after, I will solve it. Okay, you can just see here minus 3 by 11, and you can just see here I am going to put the addition sign here, and you can just see here minus 9 multiplied by minus 1, students. You can just see. So that's why it will be plus, and same concept I have to do here. So that's why you can just see here 3 by 11 plus minus 5 divided by 9. You can just see here, students. You can just write this one in beside also. Then after you can just put the value of this directly. No need to do this one also, students. You can just see if you know the concept, then after you can just write directly. But first of all, you have to write the result, the reason for that one. Okay, now it is easy. You can just see here. First of all, it is we have to do that denominator are same. You can just see here 11, 9. You can just multiply each other. 11 into 9, 9 into 11. The product will be same. So I'm going to write here minus 3 divided by 99 plus minus 5. Okay, here you can just see here 9, here just 11. You can just see here I'm going to write here 11 into 99 and 9 into 11, students. So you'll be able to understand this kind of sum, students. Whenever you add this one, you will get the answer, students. This is the concept, students. This is the concept. We will do all the sum in online class. So that's why you can just understand that if you want to add whatever, if you want to subtract also, students. If you want to add, if you want to subtract, you can just see the sign. It is very important, students. But first of all, the rules is that you have to just convert that fraction in standard form, students. Suppose it may be that there is a minus in the denominator. You will have to remove that minus sign, but not directly, right? You can just cut that one or coin. Okay, no problem, I can just remove it. No, not like that, students. You can just go with this concept, students. Then after you will understand how to do that. Okay, student, in both the case, students, I'm going to tell you that in both the case, in addition and subtraction, in both the case, just listen to me very carefully, students. You have to just make that, you have to show that it should be the denominator will same. Then after will be understand. Then after we will do that sum, not before that. But student, listen to me very carefully that first of all, first thing you can just listen that first of all it should be in standard form. Then after, second, the denominator will same. Then after will be add or subtract the rational number, students. It is same concept of fraction. Okay. Now here the third one is, students, you can just see here subtraction and addition is over. So now you can just see here it is a multiplication of rational number, students. Multiplication of rational number. How can you do that? Multiplication of rational number, students. You can just multiply the rational number. Both the rational number are there, but you can just see the sign. The difference of sign, students. It is, suppose it may be that it is plus. It may be, suppose it may be that it is minus. I'm going to show you that concept. You can just see here. Here suppose I'm going to write here 3 by 7 multiply by, the question is like this, students, 3 by 7 multiply by minus 5 by 8, students. You can just see here. So no problem, students. You can just take this, multiply with numerator and multiply with denominator, students. You will get the answer, students. I'm going to write here 3 5s are 15. You can just see 3 5s are 15. It is minus 15, students. You can just see here. It is the plus, it is minus. Whenever the unequal sign will multiply with each other, students, answer will be negative. Okay. Now you can just see 3 by 15, 7 8s are 56. Students, this is your answer. This is the multiplication of rational numbers. Not only these, students. I am going to write another example, so that will be understand the concept of multiplication of rational numbers, students. I am going to show you that. You can just see here. One more example, students. You can just see. Suppose you will ask like this, simplify, students. Simplify. In this case, with the help of multiplication, you can just go with the simplify, student. How can you do that? I am going to write the example here. You can just see simplify. I'm going to write the question. You can just see here. Okay. Minus 2 by 3 multiply by 3, 9 by 5. Bracket is over. Plus. Here plus is also said. Students, in simplification there will be a plus, minus, division, addition, subtraction also, students. Addition and plus is both are the same. 2 by 3 multiply by minus 6 by 7, students. You can just see here. Now I am going to solve this, so that you will be able to understand how to do that, students. Okay, students, first of all you can just see here. You can just, in this concept of multiplication, students, suppose it may be that there will be a tables. Here in the table of 3, 9 will come. You can just directly cut this one also. 3 3s are 9, students. Here also you can just see here 3 2s are 6 also, students. because of it is the multiplication sign in between that. 2 3s are 6 and divided by 5, you can just see here, plus 2 2s are 4, it is minus 4 because of it is minus 6, so that's why, and divided by 7, you can just see here. Now you can just add this one, you can just add both, so that's why we get the answer, you'll be get answer. So you can just see, students, minus 6 divided by 5, I have to multiply 5 with 7 and 7 with 5, so that's why I can get equal denominator, students. You can just see here 5 by 7, so that's why you can just multiply by 7 also here minus 4 multiply by, here just you can see here 7 multiplied by 5, here also multiply by 5, you can just see here, students, 7 6 are 42, it is minus 42 divided by 5 7 are 35 plus 4 5 are 20, it is also already minus 20 divided by 7 5 are 35, students. You can just see here. Now minus 42 minus 20 divided by 35, then you will get the answer, students. I am going to write the answer here. It is minus 42 minus 20, it is minus 62 divided by 35, students. This is the answer of your simplification, students. You can do this type of sum, but there is a concept of 3, that means addition of rational number, subtraction of rational number and multiplication of rational number, students. So this is the preparatory video how to do that. I will show you this type of calculation. I will teach you this type of method in live class. The students will be able to understand with this video that what is going on in upcoming week. Okay, students, you can just see the video and prepare yourself. Okay, bye.